Hi there, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. For this video, I will be reviewing an upcoming ICO project called LendingBlock. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. LendingBlock is an exchange for borrowing and lending cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Using their exchange, borrowers and lenders can enter into cross-chain collateralized crypto lending agreements. At the beginning, Bitcoin, Ether, and Ripple will be the only cryptocurrencies to be supported. Users can borrow any one of these three currencies and use the other two as collateral. The collateral value will be monitored by the platform. If the collateral value falls to near the loan value, there will be a margin call. This is done to ensure there is an appropriate level of collateralization. The platform will have two groups of end users. Target lenders include institutional lenders, such as asset managers, hedge funds, and family offices. Individuals can also participate in crowd lending and gain access to lending opportunities that may not be available to them at the moment. Target borrowers include institutional investors and market makers involved in activities such as short selling, hedging, arbitrage, sales-driven borrowing, and so on. The minimum loan size will be $100,000. The idea of LendingBlock was conceived in October 2017. The demo was completed in February of this year. This slide shows a screenshot of their current demo, which you can access by visiting LendingBlock's website. This slide summarizes the project's development roadmap. In April of this year, the team plans to release its smart contract MVP. By August, the team aims to have their platform launched to the public. LendingBlock will be raising funds by issuing LND tokens. The hard cap is $10 million and the conversion rate is 2 cents per token. The fully diluted market cap is $17 million. The pre-sale application is ongoing right now, and the waitlist for both the pre-sale and the main token sale is currently open. The pre-sale will begin on April 7th, while the main token sale will begin on April 15th. This chart shows how the total supply of LND tokens will be distributed, and this chart shows the intended use of proceeds. For the most up-to-date information on the LendingBlock ICO, please visit their website and join their Telegram group. LND tokens are used as a currency within the LendingBlock platform. Interest from the loans generated will be paid for in LND tokens. Borrowers will be able to pre-purchase these tokens to meet interest payments at the start of the loan agreement. This allows them to lock in the cost of the interest payments. The value of these tokens hinges on how many loans are being generated on the platform and the length of time borrowers hold these tokens used for repayment of loans. The more activities the platform has and the longer period of time users hold these tokens, the more valuable LND tokens should be. The core LendingBlock team currently consists of 7 people. The bios of the key team members are summarized on this slide, and these are some of their investors and partners. LendingBlock's advisors include the co-founder of Funding Circle, the former chief risk officer at IG Markets, and others. In terms of opportunities, unlike other crypto lending projects that target mainly retail borrowers, LendingBlock targets institutional investors. With a minimum loan size of $100,000, the potential could be substantial if their platform gains traction. The project is backed by a solid team that has strong connections with various financial institutions. We would not be surprised if the team is able to secure partnerships with established financial institutions sometime in the future. LendingBlock takes on a different approach when it comes to attracting lenders. Instead of building an in-house crypto wallet, it plans to partner up with external crypto wallets. We believe this increases its exposure and potential supply of loans. LND tokens are being used to pay off interest on loans. Interest rates could potentially amount to over 10% per year. If the platform does in fact gain traction, there could be strong demand for LND tokens as borrowers would need to accumulate a lot of it. And lastly, LendingBlock is a crypto-to-crypto lending platform. We believe it will not encounter as many legal and regulatory challenges as other lending projects that are focused on crypto-to-fiat lending. In terms of our concerns, first off, LendingBlock is a centralized application which we believe does not benefit that greatly from the use of blockchain technology as compared to some other projects. With that said, their target market may actually prefer a centralized application over a decentralized one, at least at the beginning. And our second concern is that margin call monitoring may be difficult to implement for crypto assets as there are different exchanges trading the same asset. Overall, from an investment perspective, we have a positive view on this ICO for flipping. The idea, team, development progress, and token metrics are all above average compared to other ICO projects we've come across. With the current crypto market environment still weak, we've seen selective altcoins outperform the market recently. The ICO stage could potentially be the stage where users can get LND tokens at the lowest price. For long-term holding, we also have a positive view. With a credible and experienced team in place, we believe this platform has the potential to gain traction from both the lending and the borrowing side. We like their strategy of partnering up with different crypto wallets as opposed to building its own. As lending projects typically have good valuations, LendingBlock has a lot of upside potential, especially when put up against other crypto lending platforms such as Ripio, Salt, and ETHLend. Thank you very much for watching our video on LendingBlock. Please share your questions or thoughts with us in the comments below. For our latest reviews and market updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. See you next time and keep crushing your crypto game.